Hey guys, Unknown SLR here, and today we're going to be installing the Clubsport exhaust on the Mk8 GTI. Today we're at _Cali Ceramics _. Go give him a follow, be really appreciated. Currently we're at a shop because he has a lift. We're here just to utilize his lift. Just came from Paul's house and we just found out that the sawzall that I'm currently borrowing from Jace does not fit. It's currently aluminum in the car, but this is all OEM Clubsport stuff. So OEM valence, OEM muffler, Milwaukee OG sawzall, my backpack, more Milwaukee stuff. So I think we have to cut a little bit farther. Yeah, got it off. Let's go. Stock valence, Clubsport valence. Hey, try not to touch it, you just cleaned it.
All right, lift it down. There you go. All right, start slipping slowly. Oh.
Did you let go?
You see how you're pulling at an angle though? Oh, dude, push so hard, my friend.
I'm farting.
Be this hard.
Bruh, there's no way this fucker did it in like 5 seconds.
We have like a bunch of play up here.
That's
The next day.
Sam, hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
That concludes our cold start. We'll do a little bit more videos later on to update how the exhaust sounds like. It is kind of already broken in, mainly because it came off a different Mk8, and then my resonator delete's already been broken in. So just to conclude the video, but yeah, stay tuned.